Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel पप्पू करियर गाइड, अ कंप्लीट गाइड फॉर ऑल योर करियर नीड्स। तो फिर आज वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले आप लोग के सारे कमेंट्स को लेकर मैं रिप्लाई करने वाला हूँ इन वन वीडियो। सो प्लीज़ वॉच वीडियो टिल द एंड। ओके, वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखना क्योंकि इस वीडियो में आप लोग को जितने भी कमेंट्स आए थे बहुत काफ़ी अच्छे आप लोग के कमेंट्स आए हैं, जेन्युइन कमेंट्स आए हैं। मैं रिप्लाई करने वाला हूँ सभी कमेंट्स का। प्लीज़ आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू, प्लीज़ वॉच वीडियो टिल द एंड। आफ्टर दैट यू विल नॉट able to understand anything. Okay, please watch video till the end. If you are not getting your answer, then only you can ask in the comment section. Before that, please again requesting you, please watch video till the end. Okay, so here is the first question. Apart from marks and percentage, what are the other reason for rejection? Other reason of rejection is your standard education. Like if you are getting like if you are getting backlog in 7th and 8th semester, then you are now standard education. It's also a problem rejection. Second one is if you completed your diploma after 12th, second year of engineering, then also you have to upload a supporting documents. If you're not able to upload a supporting documents in that case, in diploma case, then you may be facing the rejection. And third point is your education gap. This is the main factor apart from the mark sheet. Okay, so next question is, it is mandatory to have a 60% in each and every subject in 12th and 10th? No, your overall should be 10th 60%. I have completed my pre-joining formalities, but it's showing in process. I haven't got date of joining. Is there are lots of candidates are still facing for the same, and non-IT and CSIT all are waiting for the date of joining. Okay, and date of joining you can expect December, January or February, because before February 2022 you all are now going to be joined the center Cognizant. Okay, so don't worry. Is mandatory to have a 60% in all semester? No, your aggregate should be 60%. Aggregate mean your overall should be 60%. Sir, what if the surname sequence is not matching? Just raise a query on the Cognizant team. Okay, they will take care of this. Okay, I have 6.5 CGPA and my grade is higher second class. Am I eligible? Yes, you are eligible. Okay, done with HR. Just wait, because still lots of candidates are still waiting for the HR result. Okay, you have to just wait. Just watch my new video, Sampin Patil. Okay, I discussed these things. Bro, what if percentage is 60% exact? Whether eligible? Yes, eligible. I had uploaded my acknowledgement slip in place of PAN card because I applied for updating PAN card name correction. Will they rejection from it? No, they will not reject you, but try to apply for the new one. And whenever they will ask you, please update your PAN card, then you are now. But in that case, you have your my major PAN card. Okay, because it's a very much important. After how many days after submitting documents, after submitting BGP, student will receive rejection mail? It's a rejection or selection. You can say like your documents will be submitted on your like date of joining. It hardly take 1 to 2 weeks. My actual B is 70%, but I submitted 70% in the form. Will be rejection. I will get rejection. My submitted 70. Just raise a ticket on the Cognizant. Okay, in C2C. Bro, you means you've been busy, right? They are rejecting. If anyone have a complete better joining formalities, then you are still safe mode. Yes, you are now safe mode. But one more thing, if you are getting a date of joining, then you are now more safe. Okay, apart from the pre-joining formalities. Okay, my HR was just wait for some more days. My name is offer letter middle and is not present in my document. Is different from all document. Is there any chance rejected? I don't think they will reject you in that case. For diploma candidates, what is the problem? There's no problem if you completed your diploma after 12, then it's not a problem if you have 60%. Okay, bro, how many days Cognizant will take to schedule interview? After result today I got reject from Cognizant 1 or 2 weeks. I've submitted all documents. All the document when will I receive? You can expect the like date of joining in December, January or February, because before end of this February you will all are going to be join the company. Okay, I have completed my pre-joining formalities. When will I get out of joining? I discuss. Please watch my video, my new video, Kausal ji. Okay, same I also got, but I didn't miss, but I missed the interview schedule. But they only due to segment has cancelled interview. But they send me mail like we will reschedule. Mention when we complete. Should I mail to? So just yes, Rajendra ji, just try to once mail them. Okay, for from a confirmation from your side. Okay, my HR interviews, yes, for the 16th November, 17th November, 18th November. Just wait for some more days. They are going to be give your HR result very soon. Okay, once they start sending, I will be discussing, I will be update you all. Okay, so don't worry. Can anyone please tell me? I've done diploma in 67%. I have taken direct second year admission BTech. Yes, same question. I just now I'm telling you na in starting of the video. Any chance of rejection? Basically direct second year student eligible. Yes, you are eligible, but maybe happen they will ask you some more additional documents. Okay, दैट्स वाई यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी रिजेक्टेड। ओके, अगर प्री जॉइनिंग फॉर्मेलिटीज इन प्रोग्रेस है तो क्या फिर रिजेक्ट कर सकती है? नहीं, कर सकती है अगर आपका डॉक्यूमेंट सब चाहिए तो बहुत कम चांसेस है कि हाँ, ज़्यादातर है 90% है कि रिजेक्शन नहीं आएगा। ओके, हुआ लाइक जो जिसको भी रिजेक्शन मेल देखने को आया काफ़ी कम लोगों को देखने को आया है। ऑलरेडी few are here who received rejection mail, but most of the students are receiving a selection mail, so don't worry about that and don't focus on that. Sir, I have also completed my 12th diploma and I taken the second year. Is there any chance of rejection? No, if you have a proper documents in that case. Bhai, please help me. I completed my pre-joining formalities. Still in progress. And 17 form will I get a joining that will send a correction mail if yes they will. Please watch my name video Dhruv Music ji. Okay, you will getting to know all the things. Pre-joining formalities पे कितने दिन बाद joining letter आ जाता है? 1 से 2 वीक में टाइम हो जाता है. Okay, bro, I have a few areas in first semester and I clear in semester and my GPA is 75. Any issue in my first semester area? No. If you completed all your area before your onboarding process, then don't worry. No worry about that. I completed my pre-joining task on 29th. My generic percentage is a bit low than eligibility criteria. I am yet received any updates. If you're meeting the eligibility criteria, then you will be going to be selected. Okay, bro, I have completed my BCG and pre-joining formalities on 29 November. I am still waiting for the date of joining and received and not received. When will I get date of joining? Please make a video on date of joining. I already discussed now. Yeah, you can just wait for December, January or February. Okay, before January, you all are going to be received. Okay, so I uploaded all the documents and filled pre-joining details, but it's showing in progress. It's more than yes, it will take more time, so don't worry. Okay, it's is in process. Okay. I have done with both 12th and diploma 12% below in diploma is more than 60 no you are not going to be rejected. Okay, so don't worry. My GB is showing completed and pre-joining form section is showing progress, so still they reject us, not they will not reject you if you're meeting their eligibility criteria. In my 10th 12th and my surname is first name father name, but in my Aadhaar first name surname, just raise the ticket. Okay, just raise the ticket because they will take care of this. Okay, the document I prepared was more than 5 MB. Will they reject? No. I have received a TCS offer letter today, but I confused about my address in Aadhaar card because I recently required. Does this issue solve my? Yes, you can also mail them to TCS Ion team or TCS Next Step team. They will take care about that. Okay, sir, in my offer letter the name in with the last name as LNU because I don't have my last name. Is there any problem? No. I have to contact Cognizant agency HR team. Please provide their support help. You can do only one thing. You go through the Cognizant joint superset team. They will be finding and for more details you can also mail to I think आपको एक मेल देखने को आया होगा during your HR interview. Just contact to them. Okay. Same case happened with me. I think most of the colleges are same. Okay, that's why my PAN card is minor. It's an issue in BG, but no, but you have to apply for the new one. Wipro HR round. I have an interview in 10 December. Is Wipro reject after HR? Yes, Wipro also rejecting after HR round. Okay, I have my PG formalities in progress. How can I check my BGST? वहीं पर आप लोग just log in on the C2C. You will finding all your process and so all. Okay. अब के बाद अभी रिजेक्शन आते हैं क्या? नहीं रिजेक्शन नहीं आते, ज़्यादातर लोगों को रिजेक्शन देखने को नहीं मिलता. इन वन वेबसाइट माई बेसिक स्टडी इज शोइंग कंप्लीटेड व्हेन आई गेट कैन आई गेट रिजेक्शन आफ्टर दैट? नो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी रिजेक्टेड. ओके, आई ऑल क्राइटेरिया बट स्टिल नॉट अप्लाइड एंड डोंट हैव एनी मेल. वेट करो, सून यू विल गोइंग टू बी रिसीव. ओके, आई थिंक सो मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेरीज आर सेम. ओके, आफ्टर विल दे रिजेक्ट? नो. सेंचुरी रोटेशन क्विट स्कैरिंग आई थिंक सो. यहाँ से पर आपका जो है जिसका रिजेक्शन आया उसका कॉलेज का नेम कॉग्निजेंट के लिस्ट में नहीं था. मेल आया यहाँ पर देखते हैं. yes यहाँ पर आप लोग APJ ऐड कर सकते हो. यू कैन ऑल्सो एड वन थिंग्स ओवर हेयर. ओके, एंड इफ योर कॉलेज नेम इज नॉट मेंशन बिकॉज I found one one person is there on Telegram. They sent me one screenshot telling that in that particular mail it's mentioned like your college name is not listed in my in Superset. So in that case also you are going to be rejected. Okay, if your college is not mentioned in joint Superset. Okay, in that case you are also going to be rejected. Okay, I think I discussed all the points are very similar. Okay, what is the reason and all the things. I think I discussed all the points. If you are interested, just comment and comment. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat and good night.